Welcome to my channel and to my pregnancy series. This is baby number 2. Today I'm 39 weeks and 3 days, and hopefully baby will be here in the next 2 days. I will explain why when I record my next video, which should be the labor and delivery. So the purpose of this video is literally to show you how I prepare for the first 3 to 6 weeks after delivery. So the whole idea is, normally when you have a baby, they will tell you that between the first 4 to 6 weeks, you shouldn't do anything heavy, you shouldn't lift any heavy stuff, you shouldn't carry anything that is heavier than the baby. And we have a toddler, she's going to be 2 years in 3 weeks. So to help me not be doing too many things, cooking and marriage, everything that has to do with the whole, I have to literally get myself prepared. In my first pregnancy I did the same, but in this pregnancy I've actually been able to organize myself well enough to show you the process. So the first thing we've done as a couple is to shop in bulk, and we normally do that even before I got pregnant. But this time around we've shopped enough to keep us for at least 6 weeks, which means that during that 4 to 6 weeks period, which is the period for me to recover, I don't have to be standing for too long or doing anything that will strain me. My husband normally will help do the shopping, and especially at this time that I'm really struggling to walk, I'm struggling to stand for too long, he graciously did all the shopping, and mine is to literally cook the ones that can be cooked now, and then the rest are stocked away. So today is day 3 of my preparation, my cooking preparation. I will take you through some of the things that I've done for day 1, day 2, and then day 3. Chicken is all done. This is what I managed to do yesterday. I'm so exhausted. Okay, so the chicken is all packed. This is turkey. I'm going to pack them as well. Hopefully we can use that for soup or anything later on. And these are my mackerel. That's jollof rice. It probably will finish within 3 to 4 days. And then I've got light soup, that's pepper soup with lamb and mackerel. And then I've got okra soup with beef. Okay, so this is going to be in the fridge. Hopefully the soups should last us about a week and a few days. But this jollof rice, trust me, it can finish within 3 days. Okay, so the rest of the stuff that I grilled yesterday, they are all going into the freezer. Okay, so those ones, we will take them and use them as we need them. And that's the idea. This is the only thing I did for day 3 because I was so tired, and I literally just focused on making this Ghana black sauce. Is popularly known as shito. Shito is one thing I always make sure that we have at home, because you can eat it with anything. So it means that if at any point I'm very tired or I'm overwhelmed with childcare duties and everything else to do with the home, my husband can quickly make something and eat it with the shito. So that's why it's part of this preparation for our first 4 to 6 weeks. I've got a video of how I make my shito on the Kitchen Romance Facebook page and the YouTube channel. If you go to Married with a Life, you should see that video there as well. That's is my shit all dished out. This can actually last for about 4 to 6 months. Yeah, it's very handy. Yeah, so I've done my part and I'm really exhausted because bear in mind I'm almost at the finishing line and it gets tiring at this point. The rest of the stuff that is left to be ready is to clean the house, clean the bathroom. My husband is currently cleaning the bathroom. Miss Samuel is also busy here. JL move. Then we will do the house. We do all the cleaning of the surfaces and make sure the house is clean for the arrival of our beautiful baby, our baby boy. I hope this video will help someone, especially if you have chosen to do things by yourself as a couple without getting any external help. Then maybe this is one of the ways you can get yourself together. It's tiring, but it is a price that you pay for the kind of home that you want to have. This is the last time you're gonna see my baby like this. So we'll see you during labor and delivery. Bye.